Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Sign up for the STOCKX newsletter. Head to their website and look for the newsletter sign up at the bottom of the page. Enter your email address and you'll immediately receive a welcome discount code that usually gives you 5 to 10% off your first purchase. Step 2. Follow STOCKX on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. They regularly post exclusive promo codes and flash sales that are only available to their followers. Turn on notifications so you don't miss these limited time offers. Step 3. Check out STOCKX's official app. Download it from your phone's app store because they often release app-exclusive codes that you won't find anywhere else online. These codes can give you anywhere from 5 to 20% off depending on the promotion. Step 4. Join STOCKX's loyalty program if they have one active in 2026. Loyalty members accumulate points on purchases that can be redeemed for discounts. Higher-tier members get access to early sales and special promo codes before the general public. Step 5. Search for current discount codes on tech forums and deal websites like Reddit, Slick Deals, and Retail Me Not. Users share working codes regularly, and you'll find the most up-to-date offers there. Always verify the code is current before checkout since some expire quickly.